check this out. I'm logging into the freeadforum.com, and this is a super busy classified ad website. And I'm managing about 80 of these sites. Now you can see there's a timer up here, and we're seeing an opt-in form, and you're seeing a full page ad. Okay. So every person who logs into the freeadforum.com, that's thousands of people per day, will see a full page login ad. Login ads are great because they see your exact landing page. You're getting eyeballs on your offer. Now, when you're a member of classifiedsubmissions.com, just one of the benefits is that we're going to put your full page ad in rotation on login on 80 different sites, not just one. It'll include the freeadforum.com, but many other sites. So you get to show your ad here, and then people want to go and they want to log into their account. They come up here, they can go, they can publish an ad, and so on and so forth. But imagine your ad being seen like that on 80 different sites. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel below and comment login ads, and I'll give you the actual list of 80 sites where your site will be listed in the full website will be listed. And I'll give that to you in an ebook format, and you can actually rebrand that ebook with your affiliate link, give it away as a list of free advertising resources, and if anybody orders, you'll earn 50% recurring commissions on classifiedsubmissions.com. So go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and a comment login ads, and I'll send you the list of websites where your full page ad will be displayed on if you're a member of classifiedsubmissions.com. Here, I'm going to log into another site just to show you. Doesn't matter. I've got 80 of these sites. See, you get the timer here, and they're pretty much forced to see it for 19 seconds. Then, if people are going to see it, and if you have a good pitch, if you captured their attention, and that's why it's important, you can't have too much on these landing pages. You want to have a very, very to the point pitch and call to action. Just one call to action. This is good because it's email only, and you'll get more opt-ins that way. Then you follow up afterwards because you got to get their attention right away. Here I click continue as a user, and I go ahead and I can place my ad. 80 different sites. So what are the benefits to you when you advertise with classifiedsubmissions.com just on the full page login ads? First of all, you're going to get massive exposure across a wide network. Your ad just isn't sitting on a site. You are being dynamically displaying your ad right in front of somebody across 80 different sites at the same time. I mean, that's a lot of organic traffic. And number two, you're going to get guaranteed visibility. Just putting your ad on a site doesn't mean someone's going to actually get to your landing page and see it. They have to click on ad, and then they go to the landing page. Here, they are forced to see your site because on login, they're going to see your site. Another thing, too, is you're building your brand, right? People are going to see this, even if they don't log in right away. If they come back later and log in, they're going to see your site again. You're building your brand. So you're going to have multiple shots at getting these people joining your newsletter because people come back to the sites to repost ads. Again, you're going to get branding across the entire web. Just like I said, if they don't click right away, people are seeing your brand. Remembering you. People need multiple exposures before they actually stop buying. You're going to get very high engagement with this because there's no escaping it. People are forced to see it. I love login ads because if you have a good pitch, they're going to see it. They can't avoid it. Here's another thing. This is hands-free promotion. Once you sign up with classifiedsubmissions.com, I'll put the link in the description below. Go ahead and comment login ads. I'll give you the link to classifiedsubmissions.com and a free ebook, which has a list of classified ad sites where you can post your free ads. And those are the sites where your ads are going to be running. Your full page login ads are going to be running as well. But you are going to be reaching, a motivated audience. And like I said, this is hands-free promotion. Once you sign up, this is going on 24/7. People are logging into these sites 24/7. It's great because you don't have to keep doing anything. It's on autopilot. Now, who are these people who are seeing your ads? A lot of them are work from home types, business opportunity types, people advertising their small business. So if you have an advertising type product, that would be especially good, or business opportunities are probably the most popular category. But, if you have an advertising type service, that's good because everyone there is posting an ad. They're looking to get more traffic to their ad. And they're also business opportunity types quite a bit. Another advantage is you can track all this. We give you a tracking link with classifiedsubmissions.com. So you're going to see that you're getting real traffic. And also, you're getting SEO benefits from this. Even if you're not getting direct opt-ins, which we want you to do it, you could, if you have a small business, I've ranked like local businesses using this because direct traffic is a very important part of getting ranked. If you have a dead site, you don't get ranked in Google. I mean, they say it themselves. There's been studies on this. You want direct traffic to your website. So even if you're just trying to get your website ranked, you're not even going for opt-ins. You're trying to get your website noticed in the search engines. Real people are going to see your site. They can click on it. There's multiple links that they can go to. They can go to it. You're getting real visitors with the browsers and the IP addresses, everything, because real people are actually logging into these sites to post ads, either going in manually, logging in, typing their username and password, and bam, there's your site. So you're going to get SEO benefits from this as well. So if you're interested in learning more about classifiedsubmissions.com, this is just one of the many benefits of joining the service. Go ahead and comment login ads below. I'll send you the link. I'll also put it in the description as well. And I'll send you this rebrandable ebook with the list of classified ad websites. Also keep in mind with our affiliate program, we pay out 50% recurring commissions. I pay out every single month. Lots of commissions. I've been paying them out for years to people. So go ahead and join our affiliate program and promote our services, and you get paid commissions on all our different products and services. We offer lots of different things on classifiedsubmissions.com, lots of different ways to promote your website. So join our affiliate program as well. Again, I'll put all the information below. Comment, login ads. I'll give you all the details on both the affiliate program, the service, and the free ebook that you can give away rebranded with your affiliate link with the list of 80 sites that your login ads will appear on. Thank you so much. I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next one.